Hi, I'm Billy Mays.
And I'm Anthony Sullivan, and welcome to Las Vegas, the international marketplace for the hottest new products in electronic retailing.
Today, we're here to introduce to you the latest and greatest in cutting-edge technology. And here it is, the Dual Saw.
And the Dual Saw is no ordinary saw. It has two blades that go in opposite directions. We call it counter-rotating action. You get a clean, smooth, precise cut each and every time.
And Sully, because of the dual action, there's no sparks, no binding, and no kickback. The Dual Saw will cut through metal, glass, tile, just about anything, even plastics, without melting.
It's even safe and precise enough to cut through this delicate egg.
Sully, we even use the Dual Saw to cut an entire car right in half.
And that's nothing. In the infomercial that Billy and I will be doing this summer for the Dual Saw, we'll take a school bus and cut it in half with the Dual Saw.
So look for the infomercial that's going to change home improvement forever.
The Dual Saw, new in 09.
Don't worry, this is just a simulation. We want to prove StarTwin's safety and effectiveness with this group of professional firefighters. The mission is to rescue this young lady as quickly as possible. In real life, every second counts. StarTwin's 900 watts are already in action, cutting the car as if it were a sheet of paper. Not even synthetic materials can resist its power. The car is cut through in record time. StarTwin's blades are already cutting the roof to free the young lady. No problem, only a few seconds are enough to cut the car as if it were a tin can. Mission accomplished. The chassis has been cut in two. The driver is safe and sound. Let's congratulate our firefighters for a job well done. StarTwin for all your needs. Easy and fast cutting thanks to the latest technology. Amazing results in total safety. StarTwin makes your do-it-yourself tasks unlimited. Discover StarTwin, the revolutionary sawing machine. Its main difference from other conventional saws is that StarTwin has double traction and inverted rotation, which moves its two blades separately. Thanks to its highly resistant components, this technology, combined with its hard tungsten blades, guarantees perfectly clean and straight cuts. You can now cut any type of material, even starting in the center and in total safety without vibrations. It cuts all kinds of wood and plastic easily. StarTwin's blades cut all these different metals without the slightest resistance. Its professional lubricating system allows you to cut through soft metals like aluminum, copper, and stainless steel without overheating or warping them. Compare the cuts on the left with the expert cuts on the right using StarTwin and without sparks. Try it at home and see how professional it is. StarTwin is a guaranteed, reliable, and easy-to-use tool. Its cut is 33 millimeters deep, so it's ideal for all your projects at home, at work, or for any of your do-it-yourself hobbies. Its powerful 900-watt engine provides the necessary power to cut any type of material from the softest to the hardest.